नमस्कार मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचं आपल्या या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये। तुम्ही जर या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका। मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत वर्ग 12वा विषय इंग्रजी यातील एक मॉडेल ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट, एक सराव पेपर मी तुम्हाला आज देणार आहे। तर इंग्रजी विषयाचा हा सराव पेपर 80 मार्कासाठी आहे आणि वेळ आहे 3 तास। तर त्यामधलं पहिलं सेक्शन आहे सेक्शन 1 प्रोज, रीडिंग फॉर कॉम्प्रिहेन्शन, लँग्वेज स्टडी, समरी, माइंड मैपिंग। क्वेश्चन 1A, रीड द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट अँड कंप्लीट द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज गिवन बिलो। तर आता हा एक्स्ट्रॅक्टसुद्धा मी या ठिकाणी वाचतो, म्हणजे जेणेकरून काही टाईप केलेलं तुम्हाला जर समजलं नाही तर आवाजावरून तरी निश्चित ते ओळखता येईल। There was a pause as cars hooted on the road. Jutka drivers swore at their horses, and the babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. The author sat down, sucking his cheroot, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. He made preparations to bundle up. The author held his wrist and said, "You can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing." The astrologer shivered in his grip and his voice shook and became faint. "Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow." The author thrust his palm in his face and said, "Challenge is challenge. Go on." The astrologer proceeded, with his throat drying up. "There is a woman." "Stop," said the author. "I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins." The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, "All right, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like." After a good deal of haggling, the author agreed. The astrologer said, "You were left for dead. Am I right?" "Ah, tell me more." "A knife has passed through you once," said the astrologer. "Good fellow." He bared his chest to show the scar. "What else?" "And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field. You were left for dead." "I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well," exclaimed the author, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. हा पहिला एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट आहे आणि त्यावर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहे। ॲक्टिव्हिटी A1, ऑर्डर, rearrange the jumbled order sentences as per the events happened. First, the passerby saved the stranger. Second, the astrologer gave secret information of the stranger. Third, the stranger insisted the astrologer to give answer to his question. Fourth, the astrologer refused to accept the challenge. Then A2, give information. It is for 2 marks. The astrologer gives information of the events happened in the life of the stranger. Write it. Then A3, give proof. It is for 2 marks. The astrologer feared due to the encounter with the stranger. Give its proof from the extract. A4, personal response. It is also for 2 marks. Imagine you were in the place of astrologer. Give your ways to deal with the stranger. Then activity A5, language study. Do as directed for 2 marks. A. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. In bracket, make exclamatory sentence. B. He made preparations to bundle up. In bracket, use so that. Then activity A6, based on vocabulary. It is for 2 marks. Write antonyms of the following words from the extract. And the words are A. Agitated, B. Uncomfortable, C. Like, and D. Dead. Then question 1B, language study. It is for 4 marks. First is given do as directed or transformation of sentence for 3 marks. A. You should wear your uniform. In bracket, rewrite the sentence choosing the correct modal auxiliary showing ability, and the options are first must, second can, third will, and fourth may. B. Begging is a curse on humanity. In bracket, state whether the underlined word is gerund or present participle. C. Before we left the class, we in bracket complete our assignments. And the instruction given, rewrite the sentence using correct verb form of the word given in the bracket. Then second, spot the error. It is for 1 mark. And the sentence is given, I am agree with you in this matter. Then question 2A. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. When shoes were first made, they were made flat without a heel. Since normal walking requires that the heel of the foot should strike the ground before the toes, these early shoes used to wear out quickly at the heel, prompting shoemakers to reinforce the heel and so creating heeled shoes. Women have been wearing high-heeled shoes for centuries in the pursuit of fashion. However, regularly wearing shoes with high heels can be hazardous. The biggest risk perhaps is losing your balance. They force you to use a lot of extra muscular effort to keep from falling forward. Much of this extra effort is concentrated in the lower back arc, which can lead to back pain. Experts warn that high heels can also result in a variety of foot problems, including metatarsalgia, which is a pain in the ball of foot. Another condition called Morton's neuroma, which is 10 times more common in women than men, is caused by thickening of tissue around a nerve between the third and fourth toes. It usually envelops in response to imitation and excessive pressure, such as the burden of weight, high heels on the ball of the foot. However, if one cannot resist wearing heels, the following tips can help to keep your feet healthy. Always wear the correct fit. Have both feet measured the next time you buy shoes. You will probably find that One foot is larger than the other. Always buy shoes to fit the larger foot. Never buy shoes that are too tight. Buy shoes later in the day when your feet are a bit swollen. Never wear a heel higher than 6.5 centimeter. Only buy heels that you can comfortable in. After this, the activities are given. Activity A1, true or false. It is for 2 marks. Rewrite the following statements and state whether they are true or false. First statement: initial shoes were without a heel. 2. Women have been wearing high-heeled shoes for centuries to get comfort. Third, high heels can create a variety of foot problems. Fourth, always wear a heel higher than 6.5 centimeters. Activity A2, give information for 2 marks. Write any 4 drawbacks of regularly wearing shoes with high heels. A3, guessing for 2 marks. Guess the intention of writing this extract. A4, on personal response for 2 marks. To wear shoes with high heels is good or bad? Give your opinion. A5, language study for 2 marks. Do as directed. First, they throw your weight forward, making it difficult to sustain upright balance. In bracket, the instruction is given, and that is make it compound sentence. Second is always wear the correct fit. In bracket, choose the correct alternative that shows the type of this sentence. A, interrogative sentence. B, imperative sentence. C, exclamatory sentence. A6, vocabulary for 2 marks. Write the correct meaning of the following words from the given alternatives. First, centuries, and the options are A, thousands of years. B, hundreds of years. Second word is given hazardous, and the options are dangerous. B, hard. Third, gait, and the options: option A, style of giving. B, style of walking. Fourth, pursuit. Option A, carrying purse and suit. B, to achieve something. Question 2B, summary writing. It is for 3 marks. Write a brief summary of the above extract with the help of points given below. Suggest a suitable title for it, and the points are given: earlier shoes, need of high heels, drawbacks of wearing high heels regularly, suggestions about wearing shoes, etc. Then C, mind mapping. It is for 3 marks. Develop a mind mapping frame or design to show the benefits of games and sports to the students. You can take the help of following points in order to develop each of them into further branches: fitness and stamina, team spirit and sportsmanship, group behavior, killer's instinct, will to win, etc. So we'll move to section 2nd, poetry and appreciation. Question 3rd A, Read the extract and complete the activities given below. The sun in heaven was shining gay. All things were joyful on that day. The seabirds screamed as they wheeled around, and there was joyance in their sound. The buoy of the Inchcape Bell was seen, a darker speck on the ocean green. Sir Ralph the rover walked his deck, and he fixed his eye on the darker speck. He felt the cheering power of spring. It made him whistle, it made him sing. His heart was mirthful to excess, but the rover's mirth was wickedness. His eye was on the Inchcape float. Quoth he, my men, put out the boat, and row me to the Inchcape rock, and I'll plague the abbot of Aberbrothock. Activities given on this extract. Activity A1, pick out for 2 marks. Pick out the 2 lines from the extract that show the joyful atmosphere. A2, intention for 2 marks. Write the intention of Ralph to sail near the Inchcape rock. A3, personal response for 2 marks. Give your experience of journey by sea. A4 for 2 marks based on poetic device. A, write rhyming words of each stanza. B, it made him whistle, it made him sing. In bracket, name the figure of speech. A5, poetic creativity for 2 marks. Add 2 lines to continue the theme of this stanza. He felt the cheering power of spring. It made him whistle, it made him sing. Then activity 3B, based on appreciation for 4 marks. Read the extract and write as per instructions. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng? Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way, or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Can you say tonight, in parting with the days that sleeping fast, that you helped a single brother of many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? Edgar Guest. Write an appreciation of poem. Have you earned your tomorrow? Using following points. A, theme of the poem. B, poetic devices. C, message of the poem. D, special features. Then we will move on to section 3, writing skills. Question 4th A. Complete the activities as per instructions given below. First, drafting virtual message. It is for 4 marks. In question 4a, out of 3, we have to solve 1. Drafting a virtual message for 4 marks. Read the given conversation between Rakesh and Mrs. Sarkar. Draft the message in 50 words. Do not add any new information. Rakesh: hello, may I speak to Dr. Sarkar? Mrs. Sarkar: he has gone to hospital to attend the OPD. May I know who is speaking? Rakesh: yes, I am Rakesh Sood. My wife has been having a severe headache since yesterday. Since this morning she has also developed a high temperature. I would be very grateful if the doctor could come over to our place to examine her. Mrs. Sarkar: of course, please let me note down your address. Rakesh: it is B49 New Colony. Mrs. Sarkar: I will give him your message as soon as he returns. Rakesh: thank you. Or second, statement of purpose for 4 marks. Write a statement of purpose as a part of your application to join nursing college. Write in 100 words. You have visited a hospital and saw the work of nursing. You liked the service and dedication of them. Your favorite subject in junior college is biology. Your desire to join the nursing course. Or you may write third, group discussion for 4 marks. Have a group discussion on the following topic: Clean India. Evaluator Anita, Tushar, Mahendra. You all have been given few minutes to think on your topic for today's group discussion, which is Clean India. You may now begin the discussion. Who would like to start? Then question 4b. In question 4b, out of 3, you have to write 1. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. First, email writing for 4 marks. Write an email to the ST depot manager using the following points. Your college is 15 km away from your native place. You go to college by ST bus. The bus timings are not convenient for you and other students. Write an email to the ST depot manager of your area. Write an email to depotmanager@yahoomail.com. Use proper templates to write email. Or second, report writing. Write a report of the celebration of Maharashtra Day in your junior college. Write in 100 words. Or framing interview questions for 4 marks. Imagine that you are a representative of your college. You want to publish an interview of a social worker in the college magazine. Prepare questions to take his interview, 8 to 10 questions. In question 4c, in it also, out of 3 questions, you have to write 1. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. First is speech writing for 4 marks. Prepare a speech to be made before your class appealing students to make a will to donate eyes. Write in 100 words. Or second, comparing for 4 marks. Imagine that you are compare of a prize distribution ceremony of your college. Write a script of the same. Write it in 100 words. Use the following points: introduction, lighting the lamp, welcome song, introductory speech, felicitation, main event, speech of the guest, vote of thanks. Or third, expansion of ideas. It is for 4 marks. Expand the idea inherent in the following statement: one should eat to live, not live to eat. Franklin. Write in 100 words. Question 4th D. In this question, you have to write 1 out of 3 questions. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. First is blog writing for 4 marks. Write a blog using proper format on the topic communication skills. Then second, review writing. It is for 4 marks. Write a film review that you have seen recently using following points, and the points are given: story, characterization, music and songs, theme, action, special features, weak points, your opinion about the film. Write it in 100 words. Or third, appeal writing. It is for 4 marks. Sharda Social Club, Kolhapur arranged a Save Water, Save Earth drive for 5 days. Prepare an appeal to the people to join it. Then we will move on to section 4, that is literary genre, novel. Question 5A. Complete the activities given below as per the instructions. First, match the column A with B. It is for 2 marks. The contents given in column A are theme, style, setting, conflict. Then in column B, A, struggle between the opposite forces in the story, the background in which the story takes place, C, the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell, D, the language and the techniques used for the narration of the course of events. Second, pick out the odd element from the group. First, Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Graham Greene, Kiran Nagarkar. Second, place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle. Third, theme, plot, character, novella. Fourth, Billy Budd, the turn of the screw, Pearl, Joseph Conrad, Death in Venice. Then fifth B, answer in about 50 words to the questions. First question is based on language. It is for 2 marks. Read the dialogue and find out who the speaker is, his or her tone, the style, significance, etc. of the dialogue. Then why do we have to do PT? Why don't they take only the kids who need it? Second, on character, for 2 marks, give a brief character sketch of Miss Phillips. Then fifth C, answer in about 50 words to the questions. First, based on theme, for 2 marks, Write 4 to 5 sentences on the time as a theme of the extract. Second, based on setting for 2 marks, describe the importance of the following place in the development of the plot and behavior of the characters, and place is given Liverpool. Fifth D, answer in about 50 words to the questions. First, based on language for 2 marks, elaborate the following line in the light of the novel or extract. The sign of 4. You really are an automation, a calculating machine. Second, character for 2 marks. Describe the character of Sherlock Holmes. तर अशा पद्धतीनं आपण वर्ग 12 विषय इंग्रजी या विषयाचा सराव पेपर तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिससाठी या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. अशाच प्रकारची नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काही अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार.